Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to write APT program. APT stands for automatically programmed tools. Let's start with an example. Here, write a APT program by using geometric and motion commands to machine the outline of the geometry as shown in the figure. The component is 5 mm thick and the end mill used is 5 mm in diameter. Consider spindle speed as 1000 rpm and feed rate as 0.3 mm per revolution. Assume suitable data if necessary. This is the outline of the geometry. Before writing the APT program, remember that constraint for symbol size used in APT program is 6 or fewer alphabetic or numeric or combination of these characters, that is symbol size is equal to is 6 or less than 6 characters or numbers or combination of above. Also, while writing the program, give the numbers as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on for succeeding steps. Now let's start the program. Here PART_NO/example. This statement is used to identify the part program and used at the start of the program. It gives the component name, number and name specification. This is the symbol. Next, MACHIN/milling. This command is used to specify the machine name. PRINT on, I am writing here all the specifications. Part number is used to identify part program, that is component number and name specification. This is used to add machine specification. Next, PRINT/on, that is print on. This command is used to get the canonical information, that is used to print the internally stored information. Here I am writing here to print internally stored information. Next is CLPRNT. This command is used to print the centerline data of cutter position or location. Used to print data or location. Remark geometry statements. Geometry statements are used to define the geometry of elements that comprise the workpiece. Here the geometry means the points and lines, circle, plane. These are the geometry elements. Here remember that remark or double dollar, whatever statement you write after remark or double dollar symbol will be ignored by the processor. These commands or statements are common in all in all APT programs. Next, now start with the geometry statements. SET is equal to point slash 0 comma 0 comma 0. This statement shows the position, shows the point that cutter point, initial point, that is this point. Next is P1 is equal to point slash 10 comma 10, that is this point. Similarly, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, point 7, point 8, point 9, point 10 are specified in the geometry statement. This is point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, point 7, point 8, point 9, point 10. This all statement specifies the point position. Next, to specify the line position, we use these commands. Specify line position. Here L1 is equal to line slash P1 P2. This symbol represents the line L1 between L1 which joins the point P1 and P2. Similarly, line L2, L3, L4, L5 and L6 are specified in the geometry statements. Next, we need to specify the circles or arcs which are there in the geometry. It specifies the circle position. To specify circle position, here the symbol is C1 is equal to circle slash center comma P5 comma radius comma 13, that is here circle is C1 and P5 represents the center of the circle and R3 represents the radius of the circle. This is semicircle, and here C2 which is a arc. This is the P8 is the center point and R13 is the radius of this arc C2. Next we need to represent the plane. Here PL1 is a symbol and PL2 is a symbol. PL1 is equal to plane slash P1 P3 P6 and PL2 is the plane slash PAR LEL comma PL1 Z small comma 5. Here PL2 plane is parallel to the PL1 plane. PL2 plane is parallel to the PL1 plane and in the negative Z direction. Z small is used to indicate the relative position in negative Z direction of one's geometric element with respect to other when there are two possible alternatives are available. Z small is used for negative Z direction, x small, y small, both and Z small are used for negative direction and x large, y large and z large are used for positive direction. Next is the remark setup statements. Remark setup statements are used to specify the cutter diameter, spindle speed, feed rate, etc. I am writing here used to specify cutter diameter, spindle speed, feed rate, etc. Geometric statements are used to specify geometry elements. Let's start. Cutter, CUTTER, this is a symbol. Next is INTOL, this is inside tolerance, specification, inside tolerance specification. This is cutter diameter specification. This is outer tolerance specification, OUTTOL, outer tolerance specification. This SPI NDL slash 1000 CLW, this is spindle speed specification and for clockwise direction. Spindle speed and direction specification. Next is FEDRAT slash 0.3 mm per revolution. This symbol is used for feed rate specification. Now here SPINDL on, that is spindle on COLNT. This symbol is used for coolant on. Next is remark motion statements. Motion statements are used to describe the path taken by the cutting tool. Here, to describe path taken by cutting tool. Now start. Here, this is the diagram. Now start from set point, that is from this point, this is a set point, go slash to set point, SETPT for set point, go slash to L1 comma 2 comma PL2 comma TO comma L6. That is, cutter will move towards this position like this. Sorry, the cutter will be here like this at this position. Now next is go RGT, that is go towards right slash L1 past L2, L1 past L2, that is move, cutter will be here. See that past means, suppose this is a geometry, cutter will be here, past line this, 2 is equal to till line this, and on is means on this line, and tan 2 means, suppose this is a line and this is a circle, this is your cutter will move toward the tangent point, towards tangent point. Now next is the go RGT, L2 past L3. Now the cutter will move from this to this position, Next is go LFT, that is go left, L3 tan to C1, tan to, here the tan to command, tan to. Now cutter will move like this and tangent to the circle C1 at this point. Next is go FWD, that is go forward slash C1 tan to L4. Now cutter will move like this, and at this point cutter will stop, that is at the tangent, this tangent point. Next is go LFT, go left slash L4 tan to C2. Now cutter will be here. Next is go forward C2 tan to L5. Now cutter will move like this and to till this point, this tangent point. Next go left slash L5 past L6. that is cutter will move towards this, and the position of the cutter will be this. Next is go left L6 past P1, that is cutter will be now this position. The next statement is go to set point, that is cutter will move towards the initial position, that is set point. Then coolant off, coolant will be off, spindle off, spindle will stop rotating. Rewind, this command used to rewind the statement. This is a program rewind statement. This FINI, this command is used to end the statement. This is a program end statement. Thus, in this video, we have learned how to write APT program. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.